Well, guys, you're welcome to part two of our training on how to create digital products. I'm sure you are having a blast. You're having a value added time as you learn this very important skill sets. I'm telling you, people are making enormous amounts of money making digital products. Let me give you an example. Right? Let me give you an example of uh, ebooks. So let me try to expand it a bit. So ebooks. So these are examples of ebooks. 50 of them. Right? Take your time and go through them. You have ebooks. You have guides, online courses, video masterclasses, video tutorials, video series list. The list is endless. Any idea that can be conceptualized and put in a digital format that somebody basically is willing to pay for is a digital product. And there's a lot of money to be made. Lots of money to be made, trust me. Lots of money to be made. I'm telling you the truth. Lots of money. Lots of money to be made. Lots of money to be made. So let's even see examples of digital products. You know. So these are examples of digital products, ebooks, right? And softwares. It could be software or how to do something and all that. So basically, um, that's what we are talking about, right? So these are examples of ebooks. So even with these examples, um, I'm sure you already are thinking of what next you can create after this very important training. So relax, you will get there, you start creating your own product. So having understood what video what digital products are, if you have your questions, kindly indicate with the emoji raising your hand so that the video can be we can pause this and attend to your questions, right? So assuming there are no questions, let's move forward. So we understand what digital products are now. So let's look at steps to take when creating a digital product. Identify those steps to take. Very important steps. So to identify those steps to take in creating digital products, these are the framework you need to look at. Number one is identify a need. Earlier on I actually showed you an example of digital products. They are all right here. So the first step is to identify a need, right? Like in the digital space, what product can you create? What skills do you have? It borders. It begins from what do you have to offer? What specialized knowledge do you have? What technical skills? What knowledge do you have that you can teach effectively, put that content in a video format and post it on YouTube and encrypt the link and tell people to pay $10 for it and give them the passwords and they go watch the video and they pay you your money before then, right? So that's what we are talking about. And these are examples of digital products, 50 of them. Take your time and go through them. This will give you an idea when it comes to identifying a need. Your need could be, as simple as, okay, I want to help people learn remote work. I want to help people learn their first remote jobs. Therefore, I'm going to create an ebook that will teach step by step ways on how to land your first remote job, right? And steps to take, right? Skills to learn, where and where to apply, how to reach out to prospective clients individually, how to pitch employers, how to pitch recruiters online. So you can, when you have that knowledge, for example, you can actually package it um, in a video or a PDF format, written format, and people are willing to to pay for it, right? So that's what we are talking about. So the first step is to identify a need. Secondly, write clearly how you can meet that need. So you need to write clearly how you can meet that need, right? So in writing clearly, you must have this in mind. There must be a need assessment guide, right? Number one is identify the niche, your niche category. It could be do-it-yourself content concept. It could be a healthcare content on healthcare. It could be a course on healthcare. It could be a training on healthcare. It could be an information on healthcare that you have put together and put it in a digital in an ebook format or in a course or in a video tutorial, and you have encrypted it and you're asking people to pay a certain amount of money for them uh, to get access to the guide, right? So identify your niche. Which area? Is it healthcare? Is it comedy? Is it business? Is it finance? Right? Is it tourism? Is it how to make money online? Right? Is it healthcare? So identify a niche. Secondly, how do you want to present your solution? Is it a video tutorial format, ebook format, live training session? You understand? How do you want to present your solution? So we're looking at your need assessment guide. So screenshot this. This is your needs assessment guide to help you in taking the right steps to develop or create your first digital product. So number three is tools to help you create a digital product. Canva is an amazing tool. We'll come back briefly. Canva is an amazing tool that would help you create digital products, right? And I will just show you an example of Canva. I do a lot on Canva. I tell you, I do a lot on Canva, and and Canva is an amazing application that can help you with your graphic design need, that can help you with your video editing need, that can help you with your templates, video templates, uh, all kinds of template, letterhead. So Canva is my number one go-to area. There are other very interesting applications, AI applications that are even better than Canva. But frankly, I will tell you that Canva is my number one go place when I want to start to put together an ebook, for example, in creating a digital product. And basically, these are some of my templates. These are some of the things I have created so far using Canva. Just allow it to load briefly. So if I want to do digital marketing, for example, and create a professional email list, a professional email campaign list, uh, marketing pitch, I use Canva for my letterhead, right? If I want to do a presentation, I use Canva. If I want to do an informative infographic kind of template, I use Canva. So if I want my logos, I use Canva. My videos, I use Canva. My everything, my flyers, my posters, my thumbnails. So I do quite a lot using Canva, basically, right? So Canva is your go-to place when it comes to the second step, which is write clearly how you can meet that need, right? So number three is identify tools to use. Okay, we'll talk about Canva, YouTube, and how to deliver the value to your audience. So these are the tools you can use to create your this is basically the factory, the engine room where you create the product digitally and you create awareness for it. So number four is make it as simple and clear. Your digital product shouldn't be ambiguous, right? If you're creating an ebook, for example, it should not be ambiguous, right? It shouldn't be ambiguous at all. It should be simple, step by step, explanatory. Use all formats to explain your video in simple terms. Use video, use caricature, use audio, anything that would communicate your message clearly, such that your target audience, your prospective clients and consumers and customers will be satisfied with your product, when they use it. So number five is develop your product. And in developing your product, having put together your blueprint, your plan, you use your tools, your Canva, your YouTube, your CapCut, your anything, audio recorder, anything that would help you assemble your content together, is that a very important stage, which is developing your product. Number six is encrypt your product. You need to encrypt your product. And you can also do that through Canva. You can do that with your computer as well. You can encrypt your file using your computer. And if you don't have any idea how that is done, you simply go to YouTube, right? You simply go to YouTube and search on how to encrypt, right? How to encrypt a file or a folder, right? You go to YouTube and search how to encrypt a file or a folder, and you have numerous videos to watch, numerous answers, solutions that will guide you step by step as you encrypt your your content, or your digital product, such that it will not be pirated, mass produced, and what have you. So still talking about how to create digital products. Number no Step by steps, creating a digital product. I haven't talked about encryption, which is very important. Number seven is make your product visible through marketing appeal. It's not enough. You can spend a lot of money doing your research, developing your product, creating your product finally, but if your product lacks visibility, very, very important. It happened to me when I created my first digital product on remote work. If you if you want it, it's just 3,000 naira. I created a product, remote work. It sold a lot of copies. It's just 3,000 naira. How to land your first remote jobs, proper training on skills to learn, how to pitch employers, how to pitch recruiters, how to prepare yourself, package yourself, make yourself fit for the role and all that. So I have an ebook on that. It's just 3,000 naira. That would help you give you an idea of what an ebook I mean. So if you need that book, if you need that ebook, it's available. So you must make your products visible through marketing appeal, just like I have marketed that ebook to you. Make it appeal through all channels possible, your social media page, when you create content, talk about your product, um, when you interact in a thread, in a long conversation, initiate a chat in such a manner that people would begin to develop interest for your product. So it's very important that you create the right visibility for your product. So number eight is ensure your product delivers on its promise. It's very, very important. You must build integrity as a content creator, as a digital creator. You must build integrity as an infopreneur, as a digitalpreneur. You people must identify with your brand that you are honest, you have integrity, you have character, and they can depend on you, right? So ensure your product delivers on its promise by doing intensive research. Don't do surface work. Don't just put up something and people, no depth, people just regretted giving you their money for your product, right? Ensure you give it depth. Make sure people get value for their time, for their data, for their money, when they purchase your product. So that when you put out the product next time for sale, they will jump into it. You understand? That's how I make money. So ensure your product delivers on its promise. Number nine, devise a cash out plan and system. Very, very important. You must be able to be paid, in an automated fashion. When you are sleeping, someone can facilitate a payment transaction from Italy, from France, as long as you use platforms like Seller. Let's quickly check out Seller. You use platforms like Seller, for example. Um, um, you use platforms like Seller. That is my number one. That's my number one go-to gateway processing system for payment for remote work. There are several of them, but Seller is good when it comes to selling digital products. It's a trusted gateway when it comes to selling digital products. So this is Seller. My network is a bit slow. I don't know what's happening, but Seller is a very, very dependable uh, application or site when it comes to facilitating payment. Either you receive payment for your product or you pay for your product out there. So this is Seller. Find out how it works. It's a very interesting platform. I have an account there, and that is where I receive my money from my work online. So that's it basically. Let's look at one more thing. Another slide. So in conclusion, basically, digital products are sure ways to make legit money online. You too can become a player in that space and make massive income, right? So this training just gives you a hint. It gives you an idea of this opportunity. There's so much more, so much more. So we're going to be sharing uh, content about digital products going forward that would help you to take the necessary steps and actions to create your first digital product. And I'm going to do a contest in such a way that I will encourage you to create your first digital product. The contest is going to be such that uh, anybody can create their digital products. Anyone that appeals to me, anyone that I see has a market potential, I will pay for it and I will create a marketing plan around it and we'll both make money together. 40-60. I will take 60, you will take 40. And that will be a good business going forward, for anyone that wins in that contest. So, guys, in conclusion, that's the much I can take on this very important training. Please take action. Don't just learn to keep quiet. Don't learn to swell your head, to swell your brain, to feel pompous. Learn to take action. Learn to put it to work. Learn to get results. So this is Adams. This is Dr. Adams on your training on how to create digital products. Look out for 19 other trainings that we have for you, and we also update them from time to time. So God bless you. Have a beautiful day ahead, a productive week ahead too. Bye for now.